The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is already being talked about as one of the most anticipated compact camera and handheld gimbal releases in recent memory, even though DJI has not officially unveiled it yet. And that alone says a lot about how much impact the Pocket series has had on vloggers, travel filmmakers, solo YouTubers, mobile content creators, and everyday users who want high-end video quality without carrying bulky camera gear. Because after the runaway success of the Osmo Pocket 3, which proved that a pocket-sized camera could deliver cinematic stabilization, excellent low-light performance, and reliable autofocus in a simple all-in-one form factor, expectations for the next generation have skyrocketed, and based on a growing number of leaks, certification filings, early chassis images, and insider reports, the Osmo Pocket 4 looks like it could be a major leap forward rather than just a small refresh, with rumored upgrades spanning camera sensors, video resolution, gimbal performance, battery capacity, wireless connectivity, audio recording, physical controls, and overall workflow efficiency, making it potentially one of the best vlogging cameras and compact cinema tools ever created in this category. Starting with design, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to retain the slim, vertical handheld shape that made earlier models so practical for travel and everyday shooting, remaining small enough to slip into a jacket pocket or small bag while still feeling solid and durable for constant use. But leaks suggest subtle refinements to the body, including an updated button layout beneath the touchscreen that may replace the branding panel seen on the Pocket 3. And these additional physical buttons could dramatically improve usability by allowing instant access to key functions like recording start and stop, autofocus modes, digital zoom, gimbal lock, follow modes, or quick camera switching without constantly tapping through menus, which is especially valuable for fast-paced vlogging, street filming, or run-and-gun shooting scenarios. And despite packing more advanced internal hardware, the Pocket 4 is still expected to weigh under 200 grams, preserving its reputation as a lightweight camera that can be comfortably handheld for long shooting sessions without wrist fatigue, which is something action cameras and smartphones often struggle with when paired with external stabilizers. The biggest excitement, however, surrounds the rumored camera system, as multiple leaks point toward DJI potentially introducing a dual camera setup for the first time in the Osmo Pocket lineup, with the primary camera reportedly using a large 1-inch sensor at around 50 megapixels, which would be a massive upgrade in terms of image quality, low light sensitivity, dynamic range, highlight retention, and overall color depth compared to previous generations, because a larger sensor allows more light to reach each pixel, resulting in cleaner night footage, smoother gradients, improved HDR performance, and more pleasing background separation, which could finally give pocket cameras a more cinematic look that rivals larger mirrorless cameras in good lighting conditions. And alongside this main sensor, a secondary smaller sensor, rumored to be around 1/1.3 inches, may be included to support vertical video, social media first framing, or quick switching between shooting styles without physically rotating the device, which would be a smart move given how important platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok have become for creators. And there is also growing speculation that the main lens on the Pocket 4 could feature a variable aperture, something almost unheard of in compact gimbal cameras. And if this rumor turns out to be true, it would give creators far more creative control over exposure and depth of field across different lighting environments, allowing smoother transitions from bright outdoor scenes to indoor or night shooting without relying heavily on ND filters or aggressive ISO adjustments. Video performance is another area where the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to truly stand out, with rumors pointing towards support for recording up to 6K video at 60 frames per second, which would represent a significant jump over the Pocket 3 and place the Pocket 4 among the most capable compact video cameras on the market. Because higher resolution recording not only delivers sharper footage but also gives editors much more flexibility to crop, stabilize further, reframe shots, or export multiple aspect ratios from a single clip without losing clarity. And DJI is also expected to further refine its color science, HDR algorithms, and dynamic range processing, building on the already impressive image quality seen in recent DJI cameras. while stabilization will once again rely on DJI's signature 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which remains one of the Pocket series' biggest advantages over action cameras and smartphones that depend primarily on electronic stabilization, as mechanical gimbal stabilization produces smoother, more natural-looking motion with fewer artifacts, especially during walking shots, panning movements, or cinematic tracking shots. And with upgraded motors and faster onboard processing, the Pocket 4 is expected to deliver even stronger subject tracking, improved face detection, and more reliable performance when filming fast-moving subjects, crowded environments, or dynamic vlogging situations. Leaks have also hinted at changes to the display system, including the possible addition of a secondary status screen that may not function as a full viewfinder but could display critical information such as battery level, recording resolution, frame rate, stabilization mode, storage status, or wireless connection indicators, allowing users to quickly confirm settings at a glance without flipping the main screen or connecting to a smartphone, which would significantly streamline on-the-go shooting, while the main touchscreen is expected to remain bright, responsive, and usable in both outdoor sunlight and low-light conditions, with gesture controls, subject locking, face tracking, quick gimbal mode switching, and intuitive menu navigation likely returning with further refinements to make the camera feel more professional yet still beginner-friendly. Battery life is another area where concrete improvements have already been hinted at through regulatory filings, which list a battery capacity of approximately 1,545 mAh, roughly an 18% increase over the Pocket 3. And in real-world use this should translate to noticeably longer recording times per charge, making the Pocket 4 more dependable for long travel days, extended vlogging sessions, time-lapse recording, and event coverage without constantly worrying about power, especially when combined with expected fast charging support that allows creators to quickly top up the battery using power banks, car chargers, or wall adapters, reinforcing the Pocket 4's appeal as a truly portable filmmaking tool. Audio quality, which has become increasingly critical for modern content creation, also appears to be a major focus for DJI this time around, with leaks suggesting a possible 4-microphone array designed to improve directional audio capture, voice clarity, and wind noise reduction, which would be a meaningful upgrade for vloggers who often record in outdoor environments, busy streets, or travel locations. And this multi-mic setup could allow the Pocket 4 to deliver cleaner, more natural-sounding audio without external microphones in many situations, while still offering strong compatibility with DJI's wireless microphone systems for more professional setups, potentially with improved pairing speed, lower latency, and better audio synchronization, turning the Osmo Pocket 4 into a complete all-in-one solution for interviews, documentaries, talking head videos, and solo creator workflows. While DJI has not officially confirmed a launch date, the pattern of leaks, certifications, and industry chatter suggests that the Osmo Pocket 4 could be announced in late 2025 or early 2026, with regulatory filings often appearing relatively close to official unveilings, and pricing is expected to land somewhere between $500 and $600 for the standard version, with higher-priced creator combo bundles offering additional accessories such as wireless microphones, extended grips, wide-angle lenses, or protective cases. And as always, regional pricing may vary depending on taxes and import costs. But if the majority of these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 could easily become DJI's most powerful pocket-sized gimbal camera ever, combining a larger main sensor, possible dual camera flexibility, higher resolution video recording, longer battery life, enhanced audio, faster wireless connectivity, and refined controls into a device that fits in one hand, making it an incredibly attractive option not just for casual users, but also for serious YouTubers, travel vloggers, social media influencers, filmmakers, and documentary shooters who want near cinema quality results in an ultra-portable form factor that's always ready to shoot.